Hello everyone, Hitachi Vhs camera, and we have blinking red light fault. When we know that belts are okay, rubber belts, we can assume that dev sensor is probably faulty. We clean sensor with some kind of alcohol. There is this sensor with these two wires. Maybe I put the light on. There is this sensor. We clean it. And when fault still occurs, we need to bypass this sensor. Maybe I turn on a light in the phone. To bypass sensor, we short these two wires. Now we see light stand on, and camera. When we solder it together, these two wires, probably camera will work good. So this is my message. I do the test. Here, and lights stay on, which is good. And camera, I will show you. I press play and camera working. Now I take back and fold occur. So I need to solder it together and maybe put some small copper wire, I think, to join these two cables together. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day and goodbye.